The lure of the long open road and the unknown at the end of it is a great shot of dopamine. And the good news is you don't need to break your bank to get your hands on an adventure motorcycle, which combines the best of both worlds. If you want something that you can use as a daily ride, then these motorcycles work well. If you want to take on mild off-road trails, that works too. And if you want to go touring, then that is an option on these motorcycles as well. We are talking about the best adventure motorcycles under 3 lakh rupees, and here's our top picks. The Hero Xpulse 200 is definitely the most affordable adventure bike on sale in India today. Despite its affordable price tag of 1,37,000 rupees ex-showroom, the Xpulse 200 offers very good off-road capability and is perhaps the perfect tool to start off-road riding with. It gets a 21-inch wide-spoke front wheel, 158 kg curb weight and over 200mm ground clearance. The Xpulse 200 can sail over almost every kind of off-road obstacle. It's lightweight, inexpensive, easy to fix and maintain, which further adds to its desirability. The Honda CB200X may be just a commuter bike dressed in adventure clothing, but it has a few aces up its sleeve. The biggest strength of the CB200X is the way it looks. It looks like a proper mid-size adventure bike, although at heart it is a commuter bike with ergonomics suited for cruising as well. It handles nicely and is well balanced, which belies its 180cc engine displacement. As a versatile commuter and tourer, the Honda CB200X certainly offers a unique proposition. Up next is the Royal Enfield Himalayan Scram 411. It is the more accessible version of the Royal Enfield Himalayan, and this has almost all the off-road capabilities that the Himalayan has. This has a 19-inch wheel up front over the 21-inch wheel that the Himalayan gets. Otherwise, everything else stays the same on the motorcycle except for the graphics and the color combinations, of course. Prices are between 2,03,000 and 2,09,000 rupees. It's a great touring bike. It can take on mild off-road trails, and yes, this works really well as your daily commute too. The Yezdi Adventure is a newer entry-level adventure bike which seems to be tailor-made to take on the Royal Enfield Himalayan. While it has impressive off-road ability, the Yezdi Adventure needs better grunt at low revs to tackle technical stuff, and like the Himalayan, it's still a heavy bike at 190 kg. Overall, it does the job well and could be a good alternative to the Himalayan for off-road work, touring, and even everyday riding. If you need a motorcycle to lean on, then the Suzuki V-Strom SX does the job for you. 250cc engine, decent amount of power, great dynamics, great performance, and yes, the motorcycle has really nice build quality as well. Daily commutes, mild off-road trails, and long distance touring. The motorcycle does it all, and it is priced at 2,12,000 rupees ex-showroom Delhi. The Royal Enfield Himalayan has managed to carve out a solid fan following in the entry-level adventure touring segment. A torquey engine, go-anywhere attitude with ground clearance of over 200mm, and big wire spoke wheels make the Himalayan a solid and stable motorcycle ready for any two-wheeled adventure. As a simple no-nonsense ADV, the Himalayan is a very good package at the price point of 2,16,000 rupees ex-showroom. The KTM 250 Adventure offers a more accessible and affordable entry into the KTM Adventure family. It offers an unintimidating package and still manages to be an enjoyable and entertaining entry-level adventure bike. The only downside is the price, and it is the most expensive bike in this list at 2,44,000 rupees. And those were our top picks for best adventure motorcycles under 3 lakh rupees. But if you want to extend your budget to 4 lakh rupees, then you can always add the KTM 390 Adventure and the BMW G310 GS. Which one would be your pick? Do let us know in the comments below, and subscribe, like and share the Carandbike YouTube channel, and stay tuned for your daily dose of fantastic automotive content.